Okay, so after a little dance party, we can start with the project. I will make a block tower. I'll cut a long trapezium on the bandsaw. And then I can carefully clean up the bandsaw marks on the jointer. I'm cutting the tower to length on the miter saw, but because it's a trapezium now, I need this offcut shim to do this safely. Now the trapezium is onto the right length. Let's move on to the next step. Sanding the surface of the big block before I cut it into smaller blocks. And now a tedious step has begun. It's a very cheap Forstner bit, so it took a very long time to drill all the way through. I already drew the lines on the block where I'm gonna cut it, and now I can measure with a stick if I'm already deep enough. Now I can cut off the top block. Always pay attention that you've drilled deep enough so you have a new start. Okay, this took a long time, finally at the end.
This video is part of a mini-series. Go watch the other videos when you're done with this one. Bye!
Now you can use the disc sander or the belt sander to remove the bandsaw marks. Knocking down the corners by hand and some sandpaper. To sand the inside of the hole smooth, I used my Dremel tool. Here I'm turning a dowel on the lathe. I did this in between drilling the holes so the Forstner bit could cool down a bit. Making sure the dowel fits in the hole of the base.
Do you like my projects and do you want to make them yourself? You can become a patron or a member on my YouTube channel, and then you can get the plans to make all these amazing toys.
And sanding the dowel smooth. Before you change grit, always stop the lathe and sand in the long grain direction. I'm so sorry, but my battery died again, but in the meantime I made this little base. It's just a rectangular block with a hole in it. Glue the dowel in place and make sure it's 90 degrees. The most fun step of the project, finishing it with the beautiful colors of a Rubio.
Hi, here I am again, and you also watched until the end. You're fabulous. This block tower was kind of a challenge because I needed to drill the hole all the way through and it did not enter in center. That's why this block is not in the middle. Okay, I could fix it, but if I turn, it's a little bit different. You know what I mean? Yeah, it was a fun toy, but I like the other toys more. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!